In this video, I'll show you how you can add startup programs to your Windows. Now, the startup programs are programs that will automatically start and open whenever you log into your PC. Now, this is super simple, guys, so let's get straight into it. First, what you want to do is press your Windows button, and then you want to search for Startup Apps. It's going to be in the system settings, so you just want to go in here. And from in here, you'll be able to see all the programs that are available for the startup. So what you want to do is simply turn it on or off, and then when you unlock the PC, it will start the BattleNet since it's on, and that's basically how you can do it. There's all of these in here, and what you want to do if you want to add a new one is simply you can press up here and you can add a new app. So that's basically how you can do it on your Windows, guys. It's super simple and super easy. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.